Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of sequences. Sequences are everywhere, patterns in nature, numbers in puzzles. But what exactly is a sequence? How do we find the next number? So let's get ready to explore its sequences by solving two sums from MYP 5 Plus Maths textbook for grades 9 and 10. So this is the sum. Consider the finite arithmetic sequence 3, then the next term is 2.5, the next 2, and so on. This continues, and the last term is -6. Part A. Find U1 and D. U1 is the first term and D is the common difference. Part B. How many terms does the sequence have? So let's begin solving. So we observe that in the series 3, we simplify it as 5 by 2, 2, and the last term -6. So we observe that U1, which is the first term, is D, and common difference is, which is 5 by 2 minus 3. Minus half. Okay, now the next part. So the first term U1 is 3 and difference D is minus half. How many terms does the sequence have? So first we'll find out the general term for this arithmetic sequence. So the general term is UN is equal to U1 plus N minus 1 multiplied by D, where N is the number of terms. So this follows. We already know that UN, the last term, is -6. U1 is 3 plus N minus 1, and we know that the common difference is half. So upon simplification, this becomes So this becomes 3 plus 6 is equal to N minus 1 by 2. So the number of terms is 19. Now we will solve the second sum. Just give me a moment to erase. Just give me a moment. So the next sum is show that the sequence 16 minus 4, 1 minus 0.25 is geometric and hence find the 8th term as a decimal, and hence find the 8th term as a decimal. So we observe that the common ratio R is equal to minus 4 by 16, which is minus 1 by 4. Also, 1 by minus 4 is again minus 1 by 4, and minus 0.25 by 1 is minus again 25 by 100, which is minus 1 by 4. So the common ratio R is minus 1 by 4. So assuming this pattern continues, consecutive terms have a common ratio of minus 1 by 4. Therefore, the sequence is geometric with U1 is equal to 16 and common ratio R is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now we will find the 8th term as a decimal. So in order to find the 8th term, first we will find the general term UN of this sequence. So we know that for an infinite geometric sequence, UN is equal to U1 R to the power n minus 1. Now we substitute the values. So UN is equal to 16, R is minus 1 by 4 to the power n minus 1. Now we have to find the 8th term. So here n is equal to 8. So this follows U8 is equal to 16 minus 1 by 4 to the power 8 minus 1. Now upon simplification, this becomes 16 minus 1 by 4 to the power 7. Now if you simplify using a scientific calculator, we find that U8 is equal to minus 1 by 1024. And we have to convert this into decimal because it's mentioned find the 8th term as a decimal. So U8 is equal to minus 0.000976565. So I hope you have understood what sequences are and how to identify patterns in numbers. Whether it's an arithmetic sequence with a constant difference or a geometric sequence with a common ratio, understanding these patterns helps us solve problems in real life too. Keep practicing and exploring more. If you found this lesson useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.